Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Otherman is included to the Z71 package, brown bed liner, Goodyear Duratrack tires, and so much more. Check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black interior with paneling and storage at the bottom next to the speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with a chrome accent. We're going to have this 40-20-40 bench split seat with driver adjustable lumbar here. And left side will be 2- and 4-wheel drive, and as well as the lighting control with the vents. Left side will be your cruise control and forward collision alert. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, and as well as your other settings, including speed warning software and all that fun stuff. So you get the classic key, classic call and truck shifter. And onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. You can choose to sign up for OnStar services, as well as you can access rear camera with hitch guidance. Below, you're going to have your air conditioning with hill descent control, part of the Z71 package, your auto stop, as well as your tailgate. 2 USB ports, a 12-volt, and an AC wall port there. You got center console storage. Just folds up. Get it back down, find the tab. Back down. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable. Chrome accents with a double glove box. Speakers and vents up top, a little bit of storage there. And then here you can access reading lamps and your OnStar and SOS. You're gonna have these black 18-inch wheels on Goodyear Duratrack tires with the Z71 badging, the 6.2 liter badging, black mirror caps and door handles. You're gonna have the Trail Boss badging here with the black corner step bumpers and the black exhaust tips. Trailer hitch fifth wheel with the Rancho shocks. Blackout with the Multiflex tailgate. You got the grab handles, 2 LED lamps, as well as an AC wall port, and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling and storage next to the speakers. Power window with chrome accent again. Hop up. Quite a bit of legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear vents. Seats fold up for more storage. You got the lamps up top with the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as Goodyear Duratrack tires, forward collision alert, Z71 package, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.